Hello again from Orlando. I'm here with Fabio Terezinho of InduSoft. Welcome, Fabio.
Thank you.
It's great to see you again.
Likewise.
So I have a quick question around how does Aveva and InduSoft work together and guide your customers on the digital transformation journey?
Sure. So Aveva is in a unique position from the point of view that first is a software-only company, is the largest software company for industrial automation in the world. And we have a portfolio of products that takes the customers from the whole life cycle, from engineering, simulation, optimization, asset performance management, and monitoring and control, and closes the loop across all those different areas. Specifically when it comes to IoT, being a software-only company, a big advantage we bring to the table is the openness of our solution across all the different layers and levels. And the fact that we provide a bottom-up approach for the customers that embark into the digital transformation with our product. Pretty much in IoT, simplistically speaking, we could divide in three main layers. You have the edge device there with the where you have control, instrumentation, and so on. You can have the enterprise level where you consolidate information from all the sensors and edge devices still on the enterprise level. And you could have the cloud layer as well, where you have global reach and consolidation from different edge devices and plants and sites with a global reach and run analytics and big data on the cloud. So we have solutions for each one of those different layers that obviously integrate seamlessly with each other, but each one of those solutions are also open enough to interact with tools from other vendors and partners as well. So our edge device can connect to our cloud or to cloud from other vendors. Our cloud solution can receive information from our edge solution, but also from edge from other vendors. So it's a complete, still open and modular solution that allows customers to bring information from the edge to the cloud and drive meaningful information and KPIs and all the agility they need and want to minimize waste, minimize downtime, and improve productivity.
Thank you, Fabio.